Regardless of your application method, the first thing to contact the item you are washing should be hot, soapy water. Never pre-spray your wash item with water prior to washing. Clear, seemingly clean water will form an invisible barrier, preventing your detergent from penetrating and attacking the soils covering the surface. When washing, apply your soap solution starting at the bottom, pushing the soap up with overlapping strokes, while holding the wand's nozzle 12 to 14 inches from the washing surface. By working from the bottom up, this keeps the surface from streaking, which can ruin finished results. After about 1 minute before you're ready to rinse, turn the detergent off to clear the heating coil and hose of detergent. Then, turn the burner off if using a hot water washer. Rinse from the top down with cold water. Cold water will reduce flash foam, rinse faster, and dry with less spotting. Plus, it uses less fuel. Hotsy offers a line of biodegradable detergents formulated specifically for cold and hot water applications. Contact your local dealer for more information.